Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to install. Step 1. Log in to WordPress dashboard. First, log in to your WordPress admin panel. Go to yourwebsite.com/wp-admin and enter your username and password. Once logged in, you'll be inside the WordPress dashboard. Step 2. Upload the SEOWP theme. Now, from the left menu, go to Appearance, then click on Themes. Next, click Add New, and then click Upload Theme. Choose the SEOWP theme zip file from your computer and click Install Now. Wait a few seconds while WordPress uploads and installs the theme. After installation is complete, click Activate. Step 3. Install required plugins. After activating the theme, you'll see a notice asking you to install required plugins. Click Begin Installing Plugins, select all required plugins, and choose Install. Once installation is done, activate all plugins. These plugins are essential for demos, page builder features, and theme functionality. Step 4. Import demo content. Now go to Appearance, Import Demo Data, or Theme Options, Demo Import. Choose your preferred SEOWP demo layout and click Import. Please wait a few minutes while the demo content is imported. Once finished, your website will look exactly like the demo. Step 5. Set home page and menu. Go to Settings, Reading, set the home page to a static page, and select the demo home page. Then go to Appearance, Menus, choose the main menu and assign it to the primary menu location. Closing. That's it. You've successfully installed and set up the SEOWP WordPress theme. Now you can customize content, colors, and layouts to match your digital marketing brand. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more WordPress tutorials.